Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So this is a general reading for 1st to 15th of May for Virgo. So I have already shuffled the cards. Let's see what the cards have for you. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what the cards have for you. What are the obstacles coming in or you might be facing from 1st to 15th of May. Okay, so I think you have put in so much efforts in your work, maybe in your career, in your life, putting everything together to make things work in your family, in your relations. But you are thinking like, even now I have to put equal efforts to make the things work. Okay, somewhere I feel that energy of constantly putting efforts but somewhere not getting the rewards as you were expecting. So and you see there is very slowly things move in for for your good. But you do not have to give up. You have to focus on upgrading your skills, upgrading on how you can make things better in your life, and how you can contribute for your own growth and for the growth of those around you. Okay, so but the obstacle here is basically that you are somewhere feeling low in putting efforts, and but the energy here is feeling low, but do not give up. Okay, that's the obstacle basically. And mainly this is related to your finances, mainly focusing on finances, and seeking slow and steady recognition for the work maybe. Let's see what is the guidance coming in for you, Virgo. So the guidance here for you is to watch out your thoughts. If you're having creative thoughts, creative ideas of doing things, then you need to work on it carefully. You need to clearly monitor your thoughts and listen to your intuition. You are getting support and different ideas from maybe from people around you, or subconsciously you might be getting some different ideas. So you need to focus on your thoughts. You need if you are having so many creative ideas, what you can do is you can write down some ideas and see which one works best for you. Okay, and let's see what is the outcome here from 1st to 15th of May. So outcome here is the Fool card. So Fool card is basically not the Fool. Okay, it's telling us that the things will be in your favor, but you have to take leap of faith. You have to surrender to the universe. It can be something which you have not expected. It can also be a new beginning, but you have to, as I said, watch out your thoughts, listen to your intuition. Okay, what your intuition is guiding you, how it's guiding you, you need to watch to that and surrender to the universe. Have complete faith on the universe. Drop off any past baggage if you have any, and just focus on how you can make things better, and things will definitely work in your favor. It's a positive card. Okay, so if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. And if you want me to make the detailed tarot readings for the coming 15 days of May month and the months coming forward, please do let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.